Hello, welcome back everyone. I am Faisal and you are learning data visualization using MongoDB charts and its implementation in Angular project. In the last video, we have shown the outline of this series, that what we are going to learn in this course. This is the second video of this course, so it will be mainly on installation part. So this is the outline that we are going to learn in this video. First comes MongoDB setup, and MongoDB setup means MongoDB database setup and how to initiate its chart feature. Then we will see how to install Webstrom installation, and then we need Node for our Angular application, so we will see how to install Node.js. Then we will install Angular CLI for our Angular. So viewers, before we dig in, please like this video so that YouTube algorithm can find us better. And we are uploading new videos every week, so please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. So this is the page where you can log into your MongoDB account, or you can also register from here if you don't have a MongoDB account. I have a MongoDB account, so I can log in with it using the Google. So I am inside my database, and if you don't have any database created, you can click on the create button and it will open the create new cluster page, and then you can choose which type of cluster you want to make. So look here, the dedicated cluster, if we choose Hyderabad, it will cost you 0.57 per hourly. If you are trying for just learning purpose, you can click on the share and choose one server that is free. So this server is like free. So clicking on this create cluster will create a database for you. I have already a free database, so if I click on this, it will not create. It is just providing one database to one account. So then I will go back to my already created database. So this is my database. If I click on the browse collection, it will go inside my collection. So this is the collection that I have. So I have imported some sample database like sample AR, ABMP, sample analytics, etc. So you can also import this by clicking on the three dots here. If you click on this, load sample data set, and load sample data will be loaded the sample database into your account. So next we will see how to show MongoDB chart from this. So you will find a chart icon beside the data service. So click on that. This will open the chart of the MongoDB Atlas. So if you are login first time, you will not see this type of dashboard here. It will be just empty and one add chart button will be here. So I just make two sample chart here. You can see clicking on add dashboard with a will create one new dashboard. So I have two dashboard and I'm going to see what we can do from here. I'm going inside one dashboard called MongoDB chart test. There is no chart inside this MongoDB, this dashboard. So I am just adding a chart. Okay, so it is suggesting that which cluster you are going you want to use. So this is the data set I have in my cluster. So I just want to take this data set. So I have selected one sample data set, and look, this is the magic. When I am selecting the database, it is suggesting some chart for me. This is the magic that Mongo chart is providing. So if you need this, you just click on the apply and this chart will be added to this dashboard. Like if I click on add, okay, then this chart is added to my dashboard. And if I click on save and close, then this will be added to my dashboard. Okay, so if you want any other kind of chart, just drag and drop this thing and then your chart is ready. Okay, fine. So this is the chart feature we will look deep into in the next videos. So I want to give you a small task from here, that is make a colored bar using these fields. Take your time, study the fields and make a colored bar for me that will be visible from here. It is so much easy. If you try, then you can do this. I am 100% sure. Next we are going to learn Webstrom installation. So Webstrom is a IDE provided by JetBrains. So this is the link where you can install the Webstrom IDE. Click on the download button if you are a Windows user, and if you have use Mac or Linux, there is also a installation file for both of them. After downloading, click on the downloaded file in Windows, and if you are using Mac, follow the procedure. Give you the links of this download in the description. If you click on the installation file, then it will open a prompt of Webstrom installation. Click yes, then next, create a desktop shortcut, add bin, add a project folder, then next, this will install Webstrom for you. I will skip the installation part. After installation, Webstrom will ask you to restart your PC. I will restart my PC, then we will look the node installation part. So after that, I am starting the Webstrom. So my Webstrom is ready. So you can create a new project from here. Before that, you need to install another package called Node. So to install Node, you can install NVM. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. So what does it do? Basically, if you sometimes you need like many version of node, like you need to upgrade your node version, or for some project you need to downgrade your node version. So nvm manages this thing. You can install a specific node version on the fly. So you can download the nvm from just clicking nvm setup exe.exe. I will give this link in the description. So click on this, it will be downloaded, and after download click on that and install this package. Okay, so the package is installed. After installing this package, open a terminal to see that it is working or not. So this is my Windows PowerShell. I am checking nvm. So nvm is installed, so that's why it is giving me this information. So I want to install the node version 18. So I will first command nvm install 18. That is means nvm will install node 18. So you can see that it is downloading node 18.17 version. Okay, congratulations, your node nvm has installed your node version, but it is not used in your PC yet. So to use the node 18, write the command nvm use 18. This will use the installed node version in your PC. Okay, so it wants me to install the node version. I'm pressing on yes. So now my node version is 18.70. So if I press node -b, it is giving me 18.70, and also the npm is also installed. npm start from node package manager. So it is also installed, and its version is 9.6.7. Congratulations, your installation part is complete. So next we need another package called Angular, as we are going to implement the Mongo thing to this front end thing. You can just install this thing by globally by this command npm install -g. G means global Angular CLI. This will install the Angular CLI globally for you. I will ping this link for you so that you can learn some Angular from here. So open the terminal and click the Angular CLI command. Okay, congratulations, your setup part is done. So you have now MongoDB, WebStorm, Node and Angular setup. So we can move forward in the next video, where we will start learning how to set up some beautiful chart in the MongoDB chart here, and then the next video we will learn how to implement this chart to one Angular project. Okay, so this is it. Please subscribe to get latest video, and put a heart emoji in the comment if you like this video. Thank you for being with us. See you on the next one. Take care.